G'day, my name's Carl. Welcome to another unboxing. So today we're going to be looking at the Yak Power Relay module. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box is you get a switch panel, 6-button switch panel, fully waterproof. Right, this connects to the actual relay module. Right, so we've got an input for power. This connects to your switch panel, and we have 5 outputs. All have terminals on it, all the SAE 2-pin setups. There's also a set of instructions. Right, very basic in what actually comes in the box. It's a very module system, and I'll look at some of the accessories now. One thing that you are going to need is a battery terminal SAE setup. Other accessories that you might need will be a pigtail. There's the option of some LED button lights. These come in 4 different colours. There's the option of putting a SAE port on the outside of your kayak. So they can be plugged into the module inside or cabling inside, and just have the port on the kayak somewhere where you can just plug a pigtail into, i.e. the charging of your GoPros or such. So as mentioned, with the port on the outside, you can buy the SAE USB attachment. So that port can be fitted to your kayak, and you can just plug this in and then plug in a USB. There are other attachments. If you check out their website, they have some long strip LED waterproof lighting. It's a very ingenious way to attach them to the kayak. So some of the tools you might need to install the Yak Power module is a 2 1/8 hole saw to install the switch panel. Okay, because I already have these modules installed on both my Outback and my PA, I'm going to just drill into a bit of scrap from my Outback and demonstrate how these actually get installed. First thing you want to do is mark where you want to drill a hole. Right. Prior to drilling your hole, I would recommend getting into your hatch and making sure there's enough room for this depth to actually fit inside your kayak. So the next step is to pre-drill your hole. Bringing out your hole saw, again double checking that you've got enough room behind the front panel of your kayak to fit the switch panel. Okay, the next step is to pull out a round file and just tidy up all the edges. Is to feed your cable through and making sure that this goes the entire way through. Make sure the gasket is fully sealed around the entire edges, and then from there all you need is a screwdriver to tighten these down. As you screw these in, what will happen is the little tab will flick out. That will then lock it in against the hull. Like that. The switch panel is then fitted. Already installed the one on my Outback, and here it is. Once you've made up your power cable using your battery terminal kit, plug your power into the module. Right, one thing to note here is make sure you don't reverse the polarity. So make sure that your positive actually feeds into the positive on the power end. You can then connect your switch panel using the 5 pins, clicking them together, finding a little keyway, and screw it on. Once it's all plugged in, hit the power button, and you'll see it'll turn on. LED backlight. From there, all you need to do to activate any electronic device that's plugged into the relay is click that number. On mine, 1 is my sounder. Welcome to the front hatch of my Outback. So basically what I'm going to do is plug in my Yak Power switching system. So first thing I want to do is plug in my power, right? Looking for my power in, being the red one, right? My fused one that I've run from my battery, and I'm going to plug them in. Right, once that's plugged in, I'm then going to connect my switch panel. It's just lining the little thing up, plugging it in. making sure it's watertight. From here, I usually have my number 1 labelled as my sounder, so I look for 1, right, and I take my sounder. So this one's my sounder, I'll plug my sounder in. I look for my stern, so that's S, that's this one. I then plug in my stern. Here I have my stern light connected to some button deck lights as well. Right, and that's pretty much all I've got at the moment to go in my relay system. Okay, so I'm also going to get a zip tie and zip tie this to my mast like that. Now my Yak Power system's fully installed. I'm going to go through a bit of a demo for you. Here's my switch panel here. I just turn the on button and the back light will come on. Number 1's being my sounder. I'm not going to turn that on right now. So number 2 is my deck lights. That's what these little button deck lights look like. One on either side. And there's more at the back. I've also got my Burley Pro orb, which is on my stern button, or the S. Cool. That is my stern light. And that pretty much wraps up the Yak Power system. If you have any questions, happy to answer them, put them in the comments. I can't wait to do another video for you.